thing I'm going to do is move this main sheet from here up to here to control this leech, so I can then release this one and move it down to the new leech kringle. Will be the new clue as we shake this reef out. Then I'll drop the sail down just to relax the luff and the gaff, and then reattach the tack on the downhaul of the front of the mast on the new tack position, which will be, you know, without any reefs. And of course untie the reef points. So I'll do first. the other main sheet back on. getting the telltale stream. So at the moment the top on the windward side, they look a little flighty, a little loose. It means the luff of the sail's not pulled in close enough to the centre line of the boat at the top half of the sail. Bottom half's fine. So a bit more tension on the top, which mostly comes from increasing tension on the leech and also pulling the gaff up. Little diagonal creases just forming here. Suggests the gaff's a little loose. Nearly there. Release the red one to bring the whole sail in closer to the centre line. A bit more. Starting to come right now, the middle one's showing signs of sticking to the sail. Bottom of the sail now might be just a little oversheeted. The green on the leeward side starting to get a bit flighty, showing it's stalling on the leeward side. Ease the red one a bit more, allow it to come in. Now the green one at the top starting to get flighty, suggesting that that's pretty close to balance. The leeward one right at the top of the leading edge of the sail there, just starting to get flighty. The red one's now flying. So it's a matter of fiddling with the two main sheet blocks, adjusting the gaff tension, moving it in and out and trying to find the best balance. At the moment that's pretty good. Probably ease the sail a little bit. And once you get down to the last bit, so you're only talking adjusting an inch or 2 inches of sheet. It's the same for all the sails. Pretty close. Because the boat's changing direction, the wind's changing direction, the self-steering's taking a little while to make the corrections. So you're really just looking for the best fit. Not a racing boat, we don't have someone sitting there adjusting the sheets all the time. But that's pretty good. There's moments when all three of them are looking good, so it's telling me that things are about right. I don't know, how's the speed? 7.8 to 8 knots. Trying to catch this monohull. It's been annoying us all day. Sitting about 1.5 miles in front for the last few hours. So we shook out the reef. The boat's not going that much faster, so it shows that if you reef down, the boat's a lot more comfortable and you really don't sacrifice that too much speed. The wind did ease a little bit and that's why we thought we'd shake one out. That's it. Jib's a little oversheeted, so I'll just crack that off a little bit. coming towards us on the starboard side. Keep an eye on him. Wind's down to 14.5 knots, and we're doing consistently 7 to 7.5 knots, 7.8. Back down to 7. Pretty happy with that.